Hi you guys! For today's What's for Dinner episode number 5, we'll be making zucchini noodles and oven baked salmon. If you like videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Now let's start cooking. First, spiralize 4 zucchinis. After you're done, sprinkle 1/4 teaspoon of salt over zucchini noodles. Mix with your hands and let it sit and drain for about 30 minutes. Now preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place 1/3 cup of almonds on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake for about 6 to 8 minutes. After, transfer toasted almonds to a food processor. Pulse few times until coarse pieces. Next, add 2 cups of fresh basil, 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese, 2/3 cup extra virgin olive oil, 2 garlic cloves, then salt and pepper to taste. Pulse until pesto texture. Season more with salt and pepper to taste if needed. Now using a skillet, heat 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. Then add zucchini noodles, cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, stirring a few times. Pour almond pesto over the top and stir and cook for another minute. After, garnish with Parmesan cheese and set aside. Now let's make delicious oven-baked salmon. Drizzle 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. Season with salt and pepper, then add 3 minced garlic cloves. Add lemon slices, then bake at 420 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. After it's done baking, garnish with dill. Serve zucchini noodles with extra Parmesan cheese and place oven-baked salmon over the top. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. In the comments below, let me know what did you cook for dinner today. And let me know if you like videos like this. I'll see you guys later. Bye.